Chessboard have 64 squares. In that we are having standing lines. We call it file. Okay, F-I-L-E, file. Sleeping ranks. Sleeping lines are ranks. Okay, and cross lines are diagonals. In chess we will call it diagonal. Okay, it is to define a square name. For example, this square is in G line and second rank, so it is G2. Okay, this square is in F4, so its name is F4. Okay, why we are learning this? If I ask you where this king will go, so you can tell me C2, right? Because if you point it from there, I will not understand. There are 64 squares, so I will need square names. So that's why we are learning. Okay, so this is the starting position from where we will start the game. Let's learn the pieces names. Okay, of the peoples call it horse, but in chess we should call it knight. K-N-I-G-H-T. Okay, knight. Then these are bishop. B-I-S-H-O-P, bishop. Okay, now I will just circle, you tell me the name. Okay, I know it's hard to remember immediately, but just try. These are
Rook, sir.
very good.
Rook.
And these are
Knight. Knight.
very good, knight. These
Bishop.
are
Bishop.
bishop, very good. Then
King. Queen.
queen. The crown-like structure is
Queen.
queen, very good. And
King.
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 And then this line is
Pawn.
pawn. Okay. So standing, sleeping, cross. 3 words you should remember when moving queen. Standing, sleeping, and cross. As you can see on the board also, standing, sleeping, and cross. Okay. Okay, next move.
Let's add B square.
B4, right?
Yeah. Now
Why others not answering?
A4. A4 left.
No, why A4? It can move cross also. So where
yes.
it should go?
At A5. A5.
A5, right? Very good.
Now it can move.
Okay, this time let's move pawns also.
It can move G5. It can move G5.
G5, you're right.